tummy up. And we stir a bit in his food. Like that is food. And now Oliver. There's a mouse food. Ooh, seems a bit sour.
Have you tasted it? Watch Mummy taste it. Let Mummy taste it, Oliver. That's what I would say.
I cannot.
Really?
No, I cannot.
It's not so bad. Oliver. Come, we'll taste it together. You and me. You ready? 1, 2, 3. I know why you're making faces, but the aftertaste is very carroty. It's got this. You know, you don't get dessert if you don't eat everything. Oh, you're doing so good. You're doing so well.
Towards this dummy then, huh?
The orange dummy. Oh.
Oh. Macht es ganz gut. Du machst es ganz super.
You make your mouth open, everything ready, like you want it.
But it doesn't taste so good for him. Oh, Patrick. Yeah, may make a bucket.
Go on, Bob. A little bit more.
Oops.
You try a little bit more. Yeah, look, you spat your dummy out like you want some more. Oh, Mummy, Daddy, please give me some more. Yeah, here it comes. Go on, son. Oh, is Mummy decorating you?
You make a bottle for him.